Oh, that was a good one, wasn't it? Right, this little tune is for Eden. It's Merc and Monk and it's called Babyface. Eden! Babyface! Only kidding. She's a good little mover, I tell you, isn't you, Eden? A good dancer.
But I don't hear a sound. Drinking that cup of coffee. Wishing I had you around. Feel like I'm living out in space. And I see your face in every place. Oh my, your baby face. Your baby face. It's every place. Your baby face. Baby. Standing in front of the mirror. I don't see nobody there, no, no. When I close my eyes, it's clearer. Never hide and seek, baby. Who am I talking about or talking to the whole night long? This is impossible, we can't be through. It seems so rough for me to go on living without you and I. I'm sick and tired of missing you and I should be somewhere kissing you. Oh my face just breaks out in a smile when I remember you, your sexy smile. Oh,
My baby face.
Your baby face.
Your baby face. Oh, 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 oh.
Your baby face. I'm gonna call a missing person. Tell them you disappeared. When I give them your description, they bring it back to me right here. Oh, I'm sick and tired of missing you. And I should be somewhere kissing you. But my face just breaks out in a smile when I remember you, your sexy child. Oh, your baby face. Ooh, your baby face. It's every place, every place. Oh.
Well, let's call out the second part of the name callers. There's Melissa Heaton, Amanda, or is it Tony Fathers? Raymond Greensmith, Andrew Barnes, Sarah Ward, and Natalie Baines. Thank you all for listening, I really appreciate it. And that was Merc and Monk and Babyface. This is Change and Mutual Attraction. Lovely tune. Hello, Paul Freeman. Paul Freeman's just tuned in. Hope you're enjoying it, Paul. Oh, brilliant song, brilliant song. Makes the hairs on the back of my neck go and stick up. It'd make the hairs on my head stick up, I ain't got none. I'm going to play that one especially for Paul Freeman because he just said he loves it. So that's for you, Paul, alright? Jackie Simpson's had her hair done specially tonight. Gonna have to have a look at that. She's had it done specially for me, she said. Right, I'll play you a tune, Jackie, okay? This is Chuck Brown and the Soul Searchers. I ain't even going to try to pronounce it. That's what it's called.
Better with somebody with some better.